Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus coding. We'll explore when each tool shines brightest, helping you decide the best approach for your data tasks. Excel is fantastic for quick, visual data exploration and straightforward calculations, especially with smaller datasets, perhaps up to 100,000 rows. Coding, however, provides unparalleled power for automation and handling massive data volumes, often exceeding 1 million rows, making it perfect for complex, repeatable processes. Excel's biggest strength lies in its user-friendliness. Its visual interface makes it incredibly accessible for anyone to start analyzing data almost immediately. You can quickly create charts and tables to visualize trends, and common functions like VLOOKUP are straightforward to apply. For tasks requiring quick insights and sharing with non-technical colleagues, Excel is often the go-to choice, saving valuable time. Coding, using languages like Python or R, excels in automation and scalability. Imagine automating a report that takes hours in Excel down to mere seconds. It can process millions of rows of data with ease, far beyond Excel's limits. Furthermore, coding allows for sophisticated statistical modeling and machine learning algorithms, providing deeper insights. Your work becomes reproducible and easily shared, ensuring consistency across projects. Often, the most effective approach is to combine both Excel and coding. You might use Python to clean, transform, and aggregate a massive dataset, then export the refined results into an Excel spreadsheet. This allows you to leverage Excel's familiar interface for final visual checks, pivot tables, and sharing with stakeholders. It's about using coding for the heavy lifting and Excel for the polished, user-friendly output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.